Hi lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you're having difficulty starting out the next big thing, then this video is for you and you definitely want to keep on watching. If nothing ever changes, then there shouldn't be a word as the butterfly. Think of it. All the big names you know out there, they started out with a pain. Probably they started out with difficulties, but here they are today, owning conglomerates in their name. Take for instance, if Dangote did not start out with cement business, he probably won't be able to break into selling of foodstuff. He owns one of the biggest refineries in Africa. He owns a cement company with so many employed laborers who he pays. Imagine if he never started out. We will not hear of Dangote cement, we will not hear of Dangote sugar, we will not hear of Dangote semovita, we will not hear of Dangote rice. Yes, guys, he has a rice mill. And a lot of things are coming out from this same person. What if he never started out? Imagine the number of people that would be hungry, a lot of people that wouldn't have built their houses because that idea was not born. So I just know that if nothing ever changes, then there shouldn't be something like the butterfly. The butterfly comes from lava to pupa, from pupa it becomes something beautiful. So everything has a process. You should be able to be true to your brand, true to your process, enjoy every bit of it. A lot of people start out as, like I am doing right now, I am not just a content creator. I have my music base. That is something I love to do. And alongside, I know that doing music is one thing I know I'm called to do. And talking to young people like myself is another thing I'm really good at. So why wouldn't I start out? I might not look like where I'm going right now, but I'm sure I don't look like where I'm coming from. So you gotta brace up, encourage yourself. Whoever tells you that you shouldn't start is the person you should avoid. Whoever says you're not going to succeed is the person you should leave behind. Because life must be taken really deliberate. So youngsters out there, what is that thing that you feel you do not want to start? What's that thing that feels so difficult that you're struggling with? Now, words do not create transition. Words do not create transition. I want to do it, I want to do it. It will never be done. Actions and ideas do. It starts with you having an idea, like we did in our last episode. You can check out the link above to watch our previous episode of Youngsters Jesus, where we talked about transition where we talked about mastering your crafts. Now, if there is nothing in your hand, there is nothing for God to bless. That is the truth. In the Bible, let me take you back to the Bible story where God asked Moses, "What is that in your hands?" He said, "A rod." Now, humanly speaking, it is impossible for a rod to part the Red Sea. But God said, "Stretch forth the rod." And he did that in obedience. That is a transition. From having a rod, he took out action and he stretched forth the rod. And the rod performed the wonders, the greatest miracle that ever existed, parting of the Red Sea. And the people were able to pass through dry land. Just imagine if he said, Baba God there, Afana, wait till this road, wait till the road we do, begin to question God. But for the fact that he took action in cognizance with what God said, it came to pass. And then the people were able to pass through dry land. So everything you need to do in life needs you to take deliberate steps. That idea, all you just need to do is start. You don't know, you might just be that solution that the World Bank is looking for Nigeria's economy to be balanced. You might just be that next big thing. So big changes as a result of big steps. Don't be afraid to take baby steps. After all, it's a drop of water that makes a mighty ocean. So I came across this definition of procrastination. Young people, listen to this, yeah? I'm going to read it from my smartphone, yeah? It says, procrastination is the arrogant assumption that God owes you another opportunity to do what you had time to do. Wow. Really, just try to take this in, drink it in. Try to understand it, right? So procrastination is not what the world is looking for. Right now, we don't have lazy Nigerian youths. We don't have lazy Nigerian youths. Everybody is becoming CEOs. Everybody is becoming something. So don't just stay at the grassroots. Push yourself. You can do it. The greatest failure in life right now is the failure to succeed. I believe in you guys. I believe that there is something out there that you're made for. Don't let anyone push you into doing what you know is not for you. If music is what you love, follow it. If it is acting, if it is drama, whatever it is, if it is being an influencer, if it is whatever, being a preacher, so whatever it is, push yourself to succeed. No one will push you than the way you push yourself. So even in the Bible, it is as soon as Zion travailed that Zion brought forth a child. So come on, the word awaits to hear from you. So you guys, thank you so much for tuning in to my channel this day. I hope you enjoyed every bit of this. Do well to give us a thumbs up. And you could also suggest topics you want us to discuss about, on the channel. So I'm open to corrections. I'm open to innovations. I'm open to anything. So do well to follow us across all social media platforms at Youngsters G Zone on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and you could send us a mail at youngstersgzone@gmail.com. So do have a wonderful day. I hope to see you next time.